Hey bosses, it's Nina. So I haven't done this in a long time, so I thought I'd bring you with me. I want to upload a video to Pinterest as a pin and then direct it to my website, which is a landing page. So we're just going to do this together. I don't really have this planned out, just thought it'd be great if I show you how I did this. So let's get started. I'm on my Pinterest account. I do have a business Pinterest account. Um, I've been getting a lot of leads from Pinterest, but the truth is, I only pin maybe a few times a month. Most of these views and engagements are from work that I've done before. I actually used Tailwind for a while. I'm going to go ahead and go back to Tailwind because it's funny. I'm seeing the results now. I saw it then, but I'm still seeing results. I have a video, or actually two videos on Tailwind. I'll leave those below. Okay, let's jump in. So I know a lot of people are used to pinning your videos or your content to Pinterest, or maybe you're not used to doing it, but you can pin your own content to Pinterest. So what I'm going to do is instead of doing that, I'm actually going to create my own content. Cute, cute, cute. Click on next. It's telling us some of the things that we can do within Pinterest, which I really like their new features. You can create collages, add your logo, create multiple pins. Again, I usually do this from within Tailwind. So this is going to say um, increase Instagram reach. Again, I didn't do any prep on this. I would add a lot of information here. And in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, is it here? This isn't it. Okay, so let's go to my actual landing page and I am going to grab the content from there. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste. Now, here's a tip when you're actually pinning stuff from your website. If your website is set up as rich pins, then when you pin from like blogs and things like that, it automatically brings information in here. But we're starting from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to paste it. And so it looks like it's too long. So I'm going to say, could I kind of delete some of these? Okay. And I'm going to delete this. Okay, destination link, that's what I'm going to put for my, I'm going to put my actual landing page. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, notice I can drag and drop my video here. I'm going to pause this and then drag my video up so you guys don't have to see that part. All right, while that's uploading, notice here I can upload a video cover image similar to YouTube. You can either use one that's in the video or upload one. I'm going to go ahead and upload my thumbnail. Now, here's a quick tip, and it reminded me, I didn't do this on purpose. This is a square video. Whatever your video dimensions are, you have to have your thumbnail exactly the same. I was trying to upload a thumbnail I would use for YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and create a thumbnail that is a square. While you're watching this in the background, just a quick note, I do have the Insta Content virtual training on February 18th. Spaces are limited. I'll include a link below, but it's all about creating content for Instagram. Okay, so I uploaded my video cover. I made it a square just like this video. Even though you see this as landscape, it actually is this entire black square. All right, so I have my content here. I'm going to add a couple of tags. So let's say Instagram, design Instagram. Oops. And then Instagrammer. And then I'm going to keep on putting social media. So let's do social media, digital marketing, digital media. Okay, so you add all the tags that you need. I think this is good for now. And then that's basically it. I am going to select a board that I want it on, which is going to be Instagram for Business, and publish it. Yay! If you want, you could promote your pin, but I just like the fact that I don't have to start off by pinning something. I can actually use Pinterest as a social media platform and generate and create content. Here's a tip, and I should have told you to wait till the end. So those of you that dropped off, too late. So a lot of people are just repinning old stuff on Pinterest. Imagine if you're the one creating new content. That means people are repinning your stuff. Dun dun dun. All right, y'all, I'm out. Just a quick video to show you how to use Pinterest. Do, 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 do. Subscribe. Ciao.